This is the Tiffin Command Center. This is located mid-coach. On this one, this is an Allegro red. This will control your air conditioning, your lights, water heater, water pump, tank levels. Very simple to operate. The buttons out here are actually push buttons that you have to push pretty hard on them. The panel in here is just a touch screen. So on the home screen, which we're on right now, it tells you how much fresh water you have, where your gray tank level is, your black tank level is, and how much LP you have. This is how you turn on and off your water pump. Turns on your water heater on gas or on electric, and tells you what your house and chassis batteries are. The next one here will control your ventilation fans, so your exhaust fan in your bathrooms and your galley. This will control the rear slides on the coach, in or out, on the driver's side and the passenger side. This will control your thermostats, your 3 zones. So whatever zone you want to operate, you just click that zone and then hit your mode up here to change it from air conditioning or heating. Up here is your lights. It controls all of your lights. So you can sit here and passenger side lights, your bath lights, your main lights, all work from this panel. Plus you do have panels throughout the coach to work the room you're in. When you're on the bath lights, there's also a button here to turn on and off your water pump for convenience. This here just turns off the panel display light for at night. This is your settings button, which will change the brightness of your screen, changes it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Also your coach setup, which this is already set up at a 38 QRA red. Your coach options, it just tells you what you have amid AC, ceiling fan. Those are already set up. After that, if you go back to your master lights, turn it off, it turns off all your lights. It's just convenient to turn down your whole coach without you having to touch each and every light switch.